What's going on YouTube? My name is Ben Knudsen. Welcome back to yet another Big Flips tutorial. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys two aerial variations. They look like this. So this tutorial, guys, is an add-on tutorial to the basic aerial, and it's really just two flourish endings to the basic aerial. So in order to do these two endings, you have to know the basic aerial, which is linked, as always, down in the description. So make sure you know that before going on in this tutorial. So let's get right into it. The first one is called the overhang catch to the basic aerial, and it looks like this. So all this one simply is instead of looking for that safe handle once you throw the knife and catching it in that standard grip, is once you throw the knife, once it's doing its rotation around, your hand, instead of opening like that to receive the knife, you're going to flip it so your thumb is facing down and your palm is open, ready, so then when the knife goes around, you grab that safe handle and finish it in an inverted or an upside down standard grip. So when you bring it like that, it looks like that. So again, throw that basic aerial, and when you do, look for the safe handle just like you would in the normal basic aerial. Except, instead of looking for it and catching it like this, normally, you're gonna throw it, let it go around, you're gonna, as it's in the air, you're gonna invert your hand, turn upside down, and then you're gonna catch it like so, with the knife upside down in that standard grip. And that's the first one, guys. Now the second one is more or less the same movement as the basic aerial, but it's a little bit different of a setup and a slightly different catch than both of those. So to set up, instead of holding it safe handle in that standard closed grip and throwing it towards you, instead you're gonna hold that same grip and you're gonna face it the opposite way, parallel to your body like so. And so, now you're holding it like this, and that same grip that you would throw that standard aerial, but it's just flipped the other way, so that when you do release it, you catch it in that different way. It does a rotation in the opposite direction to catch it in a slightly different way. So holding that, you're gonna do that same basic aerial momentum and push and throw motion, but then you're just going to do it starting from here. So you throw that, and once you throw that, the knife's going to do exactly what it does for a standard aerial. Instead of it catching kind of screwy like this, you're going to put your hand like this and look for the safe handle. Let the safe handle and the bite handle drop into your hand before you grab around them. You're going to end in that standard grip, but a little more horizontal than you would normally. And then you can just bring it around into that truly vertical standard grip and the normal grip that everyone knows. So again, a recap for that second flourish ending on the basic aerial. You're gonna start in that same standard thing, but you're gonna flip it the other direction, parallel to your body. You're gonna throw that standard aerial, look for that safe handle. As it's in the air, you're gonna invert your hand like this and catch the knife on that safe handle. Like so. Now both of these aerials are fantastic finishers for different combos and freestyles that you might do in your butterfly knife flipping career. So here's what some of those might look like. Something like that. Redemption. So again, you can also do any of these aerials with more consecutive flips. Just a ton of different ways you can incorporate these two really awesome flourishes into a myriad of different combos. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. My name is I have a YouTube channel as well. Go check it out right here. It'll be linked in the pinned comment and also in the description. Really appreciate any support you can give me. I love making these tutorials for you guys. I really know that you can get any of them if you just put in the practice and the work. Thank you again for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.